Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. And today what we're doing is checking out the iPhone 14 cases from Zeera Wireless. So Zeera Wireless have actually sent out all of the iPhone 14 cases for review, just first look kind of thing. I will be getting the iPhone 14 Pro Max once it actually comes out, but this is our chance to actually have a quick look at all of the various sizes. And what I'll do is I'll just compare it to the iPhone 13 Pro Max that I actually have. So first thing I'll do is I'll just get them all out the packaging. So in terms of the packaging, what you get is just a simple sleeve. Normally they are also wrapped in some plastic wrap and they have a little bit of foam inside them protecting them as well. I've already taken that out of the main box when I was having a quick look at them. So first thing I'll do is I'll just get them all opened. Okay, so here we have them all unwrapped, and as you can see you have two 6.7 inch sizes. So you have the Max version or the Pro version and the non-Pro version, and then you have the 6.1 version, I believe it is, for the smaller versions, and you have once again the Pro version and the non-Pro version. So as you can see, if we just compare the smaller cases, you can see quite a significant difference between the actual camera bumps on each. Apparently on the 14 series, the MagSafe magnets on the Pro series at least are getting upgraded and they're going to be a bit stronger. Not sure whether that also translates onto the normal 14s or whether that's a sort of Pro feature that they're keeping just for the Pro phones, and whether or not the 14 6.7 inch is called iPhone 14 Plus or iPhone 14 Max is yet to be obviously seen. There are early reports suggesting that the normal 14 6.7 inch phone will actually be called iPhone 14 Plus rather than the iPhone 14 Max. But either way, here you can see once again the actual significant camera bump difference between the two. So what I'll do is I'll just pop the 13 Pro Max into the case. Obviously this won't fit that well because the camera bump is going to be completely different, but as you can see, even compared to the 13 Pro Max, the camera module on the 14, the standard 14, is going to be quite small, quite a lot smaller. That's obviously going off the triple lens array that we've got on the 13 Pro Max. Okay, and if I pop the case into the 14 Pro Max case, what you should be able to see just here is there is still a significant size increase even compared to the 13 Pro Max. So there is still enough of a border all around. The phone doesn't sit perfectly in. Mainly I think that is just down to the buttons. So, and it could also be my screen protector as well, looking at this side, because the screen protector I have on it, it does appear to be clashing with this as well. If you notice just there at the top, the cutout for the earpiece is obviously slightly different as well. So the cutout for the earpiece is actually so high up that they actually have to make a little cutout in the case itself, rather than on the screen protector, just the screen protector, as it is on the 13s. But yeah, so you can see you do have a bigger sort of camera area just here, the surface area for it. Obviously that's to house the new 48 megapixel camera that is supposed to be coming on the standard wide angle lens. Once again, as I mentioned, the MagSafe magnets ring and the locator magnet just below it, it all comes as part of the case, but on the phone itself they are meant to be getting uprated. Now if this is the first time you've ever seen one of the Zeera Wireless cases, you do have protective wrap both on the outside as well as on the inside as well. So when you get these, obviously do be sure to actually take both of them off. All of these little dots that you see, a lot of those kind of disappear once you actually remove all the protective wrap, and basically you'll get the best fit as well as not getting any ghosting or rainbowing on the inside once you've actually got your phone in there. Just taking a quicker look around the case, so you do have some air pockets on each corner. So around each one of the corners you do have these little indentations with air pockets, so if you do drop it, then it will obviously give it a little bit more cushioning by actually deforming the case itself, which protects the actual phone itself. You have a little sort of section there for lanyard if you choose to use that, and all of the buttons, you do have a pretty decent tactile feedback on the actual buttons themselves. So yeah, if you're looking for a clear case for any of your 14 series, then yeah, this is a really good option, and links as always will be in the description below. If you do have any questions, once again drop them down below. I will have more videos coming up, so if you haven't already done so, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any future videos, and I really appreciate if you also give this video a thumbs up. And until the next one, thanks very much for watching.